Hello, what's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am filming on my laptop. It is on purpose. Nothing happened to my camera or anything. I just really thought this video would benefit from like a fun, quirky look, so that's what we're doing today. Really, I'm making this video because my main video that I wanted to post today, that you're seeing this, is probably going to be delayed until Sunday. I'm working on a painting and it's not done yet. So I figured I'd just like pop in and film like a small tutorial so that there's at least something up on my channel. As you can see, the painting is coming along pretty nicely. I just need a little bit more time to finish this, but this video will probably be up on Sunday. So instead of showing you that painting process, I'm going to be showing you how I have been doing my bangs lately. I kind of realized that it doesn't really matter if your hair is like greasy or like doesn't look very good, as long as your like bangs look nice. So I'm going to show you how I've been doing that. No heat, super simple, and it always like gives a little oomph to your hair. So let's just get into it, shall we? Starting off, you obviously got to brush your hair through just to make sure that it's looking nice. And I like to always kind of pick up pieces and brush away from the face to kind of keep a sense of volume and not flatten the hair down. Also, if you've ever been so frustrated with your baby hair so you wanted to just put the scissors to it and cut them off, don't do it, because they'll grow back and this is what you'll have to endure. Anyways, the trick for this is to use rollers, and I would do this right at the beginning of my whole getting ready process so that the rollers sit for like 20-30 minutes when I'm like getting ready and eating my breakfast and everything, and then right before I leave I'll take them out and brush them through. I wouldn't recommend sleeping with rollers in for this, because when you sleep with the rollers in, it gets a really like heavy, steady curl, and it's way harder to fix if something goes wrong. So seems like a smart idea to just do it for like a limited time. Anyways, I have my front strands here that I've kind of cut a little shorter, and then I have the rest of my hair is just one length. I really have just been cutting it myself, literally just straight across, but I do have those shorter pieces in the front going on, kind of like a curtain bang vibe. So I'm grabbing that and a little more, just so that the curl blends in a little nicer. And then just with a normal foam roller, just gonna go in and make sure the end is secure, and then roll that towards the face. And I kind of like to stop at the top of the eyebrow, so like right around there. And that's the first one in place. And this will kind of give you that whole celebrity blowout feel without it being super expensive or time consuming. And now that those are in, you can just go about your morning routine, and then I'll see you in like 20-30 minutes. I have my entertainment right here. Okay, so loosely 20 minutes have passed, so it's time to take these bad boys out. Of course, the longer you keep them in, the more defined the curl will be. But since this was only in for 20 minutes, it's going to be pretty loose. Just carefully taking that out and making sure nothing gets stuck. Like really not twisting it, being very careful with the curl. Like don't pull on it, don't tug, be very gentle. And that's the first curl. Okay, this one is always curlier for me, I don't know why. So I'm always pulling this down just a little bit, so they're kind of equals. And then you're not gonna brush through them or something, you're just gonna use your fingers and like kind of brush it in through the hair. And then I like to floof up the back of my hair a little bit. And that's it. You are welcome. I hope you enjoyed this super small, like little quick tutorial, and I will see you on Sunday for the painting video. Bye!